Amazfit GTR 3 Smartwatch for Men. The Amazfit GTR 3 Smartwatch for Men is a stylish and feature-packed smartwatch designed for the modern man. With its sleek design and thunder black color, it offers a sophisticated and masculine look that is sure to impress. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its large 1.39-inch screen size, which provides a clear and vibrant display for easy viewing of notifications, fitness data, and more. Whether you're checking your messages, tracking your workouts, or monitoring your heart rate, the Amazfit GTR 3 makes it effortless with its user-friendly interface. Speaking of fitness tracking, this smartwatch offers a wide range of features to help you stay on top of your health and wellness goals. With built-in GPS, you can accurately track your outdoor workouts and map your routes. The heart rate monitor ensures that you can keep tabs on your heart rate during workouts, allowing you to optimize your training and achieve better results.
It provides a comprehensive solution for those looking to boost their productivity, monitor their health, and stay connected in style.